Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today, before I start with the tutorial, I just want to tell you guys that 2 days ago is my birthday. So if you're on Discord, you may know this because actually I announced it in my announcement channel on Discord. Actually, right now I just want to do a giveaway. So all you have to do is actually leave a comment down below in this video, not on other video. So yeah, for example, this is just an example. So you're just gonna scroll down until you see the comment section right over here, and you just leave a comment down below. So this is what you need to comment. So first thing that you need to comment down below is your Roblox username, not password. So you just say my Roblox username. Wait, oh, it's super laggy. Sorry. My ro my Roblox username is, and then your Roblox username. And then another thing that you need to comment is actually why do you want Roblox? It can be like a funny one, or maybe it can be a sad one, or maybe you can just leave a comment and say. And actually, this giveaway is real. And actually, you have 1 week to do this. So the giveaway will end in hold on. So will end in 7th of April. So just leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys there. And I'm just gonna random a winner. So for people who don't want to, comment on my YouTube channel, you can go ahead, go to my Twitter profile. It will be linked in the description, and then you can say this comment. Like this tweet right over here. You can go ahead and leave a comment. Like leave a comment, the same thing as what you have to do on YouTube. Just go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll just random you guys. Good luck. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Shawin tutorial here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how can you make, I'm just going to talk about Boolean. What is a Boolean? I'm not quite sure can I pronounce that correctly. But by the way, Boolean is a block that have two results. It can be two possible results. One is false and one is the true. So true and false, yeah. Nothing, right? Yeah, we can end the video here if I don't talk more. Wrong. There's many things about this thing here. You can, use some many script about this. Also, true and false for Boolean can be 1 and 0. The true is 1 and false is 0. So, which means you can, if you have an idea, actually you can do this. And then it will move 1 all the time. So, like move 1 step all the time. So that's good, right? Yes. But right now, I'm just gonna, do a little bit more script about, using Boolean. Yep, advanced Boolean. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So right over here, you can do if then. So normally you do this if key space press for 1 step. So that's, yeah, that's the result. But actually, you can change into something such as this, and then you can change to true. So if this thing is true, actually this block is true, it will move 1 step, which means if the space is pressed, something like this. There we go. Oh, got it. So if you try this with variable, for example, whatever, if we put my variable right over here and we duplicate this, now we got it. So my variable right over here. So it's false and now 1 and 2. See, There we go. Yep, that's amazing. So yes, it's one or two. Actually, you can say like one right over here. There we go. Now, okay, so true is one. So now it's working. Actually, see. So you can do like zero. Now it's not working. You need to, use space to stop the cat right. So yeah, and also you can also do this. Say key space press, and then you can do this. See? So basically, this is just laggy. I'm just gonna do say, and now you can see this. There we go. Now you got this. So basically, this thing is just if you do this, which means you instantly create this script. So let me speed this up for you. Can you dig any deeper now? There we go. Now we got the script. So actually, we get rid of this thing. So is this the same? Actually, it's the same. So for example, if I remove this thing, as you can see, it's the same result. And let me deactivate this thing and then put this thing back. It's worked the same. It's worked, like completely the same. So yeah. So get get out of here. So now you can do this by just doing this thing. See? So yeah, that's it for today's video. It's a very short one. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Turn the notifications on so you never miss the video that I upload. Also join my Discord servers if you have any questions or something. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Can you dig in?